It's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Exceptional, exquisite, exclusive. Welcome to the XTS. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Power tilt-down heated mirrors. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Automatic parking sensors. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Dual zone climate control. Automatic transmission. First and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Gas pressurized shocks. And V6 engine. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.